In this video, we are going to see that if you're unable to log in into Facebook and it shows that your computer needs to be cleaned or there's some issue with your system and you're not sure about that, how you can resolve it, here's what you need to do. First of all, just open any of your favorite browser. I'm using Google Chrome, which is the most popular one. And from here, just click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and choose settings at the bottom. Once we're in here, you just write here restore, hit enter, and it will show you the reset settings to their original defaults. Make sure to do that. This action will reset the Chrome settings, disable extensions, delete cookies and all. Click on the reset if you're sure about that, and after that just try to restart your browser and also restart your PC to make it effective, and that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.